Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix GTA 5 error code 7002.1 quickly and effectively. This error usually appears due to corrupted game files or launcher issues. First, open your Rockstar Games launcher or Steam and verify the game files to repair any missing or damaged data. Next, run the launcher as administrator by right-clicking it and selecting Run as Administrator. Now check your antivirus or firewall and temporarily disable them, as they can block game files from loading properly. After that, go to your GTA 5 installation folder and delete any leftover cache or temporary files. Also, make sure your Windows and graphics drivers are fully updated to avoid compatibility problems. If the issue still continues, try reinstalling Rockstar Games Launcher completely. Finally, restart your computer and launch the game again, and GTA 5 should run without showing error code 7002.1 anymore. Subscribe the channel for more videos.